Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing a purge valve placement on a 2013 Kia Soul. So let's get to it. First thing you're going to do is pop the hood. Alright. Right after you do that, you're going to just pop this whole thing off, this whole little cover. It doesn't take much force at all. Pop that off. And usually they tell you it's back here, and it's going to be like a this box, this air filter box will usually be back here, but that's not the case with this Kia. It's gonna be right here in your face, kind of like the Kia Rio, I think it is. It's located right here as well. So all you're gonna do is unclip this, undo these two hoses, and you're gonna pull it out. So let's get to it. As you can see, we got it off. Both the hoses, the plug. It's not hard to get it off. It just struggled a little bit because I used my hands. I didn't have any needle nose here with me at the garage, obviously. So moving on to the next step, just reversing what I just did. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. So let's get to putting this in. All right, I plugged this in off camera, and I'm just gonna slide these two over there, over the hoses, and that's done. Really, that's about it. And if you get the code again, most likely it's gonna be the gas cap, usually. So yeah, kind of a short video, but had to get it done, so might as well make a video out of it. All right guys, as you can see, no more check engine light on, so that solved our problem. And I took the car for a test drive, so it's pretty much cleared. So yeah, that's the end of the video. If you made it this far, I appreciate it. Well, I'm on the road to 80 subscribers so far. I think I got like 80. I said 80. So far I have like 78 or something like that. So I really do appreciate all the support, and I'm gonna just keep growing and keep trying to get better with this YouTube stuff. I'm really just a body and mechanic guy that picked up a camera, so I do appreciate all the subscribes and all the views and all of that. So I really do appreciate it, and thanks for watching. Peace.